Hi guys, welcome to week 6 of distance learning, and this week is a review week. We really listened to you guys and your feedback, and when you guys did your reflections, and many of you guys said, number one, that you've really been enjoying the challenges and the puzzles that we've been giving you guys, and number two, that you would appreciate having a review time to look over the stuff that you guys have learned because it's difficult to move just from one week to the next week. So we listened, and here it is. So here's your review week. And then also, many of you guys were asking for another breakout room. So here is your breakout room. And lastly, a lot of you guys said you like the choice boards too. So we have included 2 options for the choice board this week. So for those of you that are just joining us because you took a little bit of a longer spring break than other people, hopefully this will be a good week for you to catch up and understand what we've been going through this whole time. Okay, so there are 4 things that you need to do, but basically it falls into 3 categories. So number 1 is your invest product, number 2 is the digital breakout room, and number 3 is your choice board. And for the choice board, you are choosing two of the options that are provided to complete them. Okay, so here's invest. Basically, this is the home stretch, really. You're just creating your product that raises awareness about your issue. And then after that, you're going to be posting a picture of it to Padlet. So next week, we're going to have all of people's products up there, and you'll have the opportunity to comment on them and to actually see what other people did. As far as the Padlet goes, when you post, you most likely won't see anybody else's products up there. And that's just because Ms. Suha and I are both approving the posts as they come through. So just don't be surprised if it looks like you're the first one there. You're not. It's just we're approving everybody. Okay, so the Padlet looks like this. And the easiest way to do this is to go to that tinyurl.com/invest2020 and go there on your phone, and then it'll be super easy for you to snap a photo and upload it. So Ms. Suha actually posted an example so you know what to do. So you're going to write your name and your class period, state your issue, briefly describe your solution and whether it was successful or not, describe your product, and then snap a photo of it. You also do need to put this into your slides as well, just so we have a record of what you did in case one thing or another doesn't get uploaded or your post gets lost, because there's going to be a lot of posts on here. So do please upload it to your slides as well. Also, like I said, you guys asked for a breakout. We listened to you guys. You wanted more. So here's the encore breakout room version 2.0. It's super straightforward. You're going to do all of it inside of the Google form. So you're going to click the link here to start your breakout room. And then don't forget to hit submit, because that's how we're going to keep a record of what you did. And then if you get stuck, we have this tinyurl.com/stratigraphy hints to help you out. I will be posting a separate video that walks you through those slides as well. But here's what it looks like. So for the breakout room, will you escape? The challenge is 5 different challenges based on stratigraphy and index fossils to review what you guys have learned. Some of them are really easy and some of them are more of a challenge. So you're just going to be listing who's playing so that we can keep track of who you are, and then it'll take you to the next challenge. And every single one of them, you're going to need to fill in the correct answer before you get to move on to the next section. If you cannot figure it out, that's what these stratigraphy hints are for. So we have an entire bunch of slides devoted to reviewing what we already learned, to catch some of you guys up and to help you guys figure out the breakout room. It's really awesome too, because it actually goes over some of the things that we did in class and gives you the answers for it as well, so that you can catch up and better understand what's going on. With that, that's the breakout room. And then the last thing is your choice board. So you have 6 different options to choose from, and you are going to be doing 2 of these. I repeat, 2 of these. So current event, you guys know what to do. You're just going to choose a current news article and then answer some questions about it and summarize it. The next one is to create a puzzle with your family. So you're going to be creating a picture, and then you're going to cut it up into at least 20 pieces, and then you're going to do that puzzle with your family. You obviously know what it looks like, but they don't. So do snap a picture before you cut it up. Tons of people are doing puzzles right now, and actually, puzzles are being sold out all across the internet. internet, so why not make one of your own? The next one is a graph. So a lot of you guys chose the graph that was related to COVID that week that we had that on the choice board. And so we're providing that again. This time it's about Netflix and the movie industry and how those are faring during this time of COVID-19. The next one is a family crest. So some of you guys are familiar with crests. If you aren't, think Hogwarts crests. It has the 4 houses in it. And so what you're going to be doing is creating something, a singular image that represents your family. So you're going to interview your family members. Ask them what represents your family to them. Try to incorporate their ideas into one crest. Some of you guys may actually have family crests already, and that's cool too. So you can upload a picture of that and then explain it. Another one is really hands-on. So this is really a design challenge, and you're going to be creating the longest paper chain that you can make out of an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. Snap a picture of it and then also measure it to tell us how long it was so we can see who's the winner. And the last one, which I think is going to be really fun for you guys, is a stratigraphy snack. So craft a delicious snack. It could be jello, it could be a sandwich, a cake, etc., to demonstrate 1 or 2 laws of stratigraphy that you've learned about. In your caption, explain the 2 laws and how they're represented in your snack. So it's just a way for you guys to see that stratigraphy is everywhere. It's not just in rock layers. All these principles are very straightforward and they're very logical. So when you're done with that, snap a photo and then explain it. And that's it for the week. So those are your activities, and I hope you guys have fun. Enjoy!